Ever wondered why your friend in New York might pay a monthly fee for their bank account while here in the UK that's pretty rare? Or why sending money to a friend across town can be instant here but take a day or two in the States? They're both world-leading financial systems, but British and American banking are surprisingly different, and today we're going to break it down in just about 3 minutes. The biggest difference comes down to one idea: concentration versus fragmentation. Here in the UK, the system is concentrated. The high street is dominated by a handful of giant banks, the Big Five. They hold the vast majority of everyone's money. Across the pond, the US system is incredibly fragmented. You have the huge names you've heard of, like JP Morgan Chase and Bank of America, but you also have over 4,000 smaller local community banks and credit unions. This is all down to history and regulation. In the UK, the rules are fairly centralised under the Bank of England, but in the US, it's a complex web of national and state level regulators, a real alphabet soup of agencies that all play a part. Okay, but what does this mean for you and your money? Let's talk about the everyday experience. First, fees. In the UK, the standard current account is almost always free for personal customers who stay in credit. It's the baseline expectation. In the US, it's common for a checking account to have a monthly maintenance fee unless you meet certain conditions like keeping a minimum balance. And then there's the speed of moving money. This is a game changer. Here in Britain, we have the faster payment service. I can send a friend £20 and it's in their account in seconds, 24/7 for free. In the US, the standard system called ACH is much slower. It can often take 1 to 3 business days for the money to clear. While new instant systems are rolling out, they're not as universally baked in as they are here. So, to sum it all up, the British banking system is centralised and concentrated, leading to a more uniform consumer experience with lower fees and faster payments as standard. The American system is fragmented and diverse, offering immense choice from thousands of banks, but with a more complex regulatory landscape and a different fee structure. Neither one is necessarily better, they're just products of their own unique histories, but they definitely shape how millions of people manage their money every single day. What's your banking experience been like? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.